Medical misinformation is everywhere. Dr. Mitch is here for straight talk and to give you the truth.
Everyone likes to use the artificial sweeteners. I don't, for many reasons, but just to take one for example today, sucralose. It's very widely used, but it has a lot of negative effects like the gut microbiome that everyone talks about and getting the gut healthy. Why would you have sucralose? It could literally cause an alter in the balance of the gut bacteria and therefore hurt immunity, etc. There are metabolic effects. There are some studies that say it can impair insulin response to glucose metabolism, and it's not good for people that are diabetic. There's a toxicity. When you heat sucralose, it can break down and generate some harmful chlorinated compounds. That could be carcinogenic. And of course, there's allergies. People can be allergic to these things, and they can get headaches or skin issues. And if you don't ask when you're seeing a patient, you can miss it. It also might interfere with appetite regulation and lead to caloric intake and weight gain in some cases. And then there's some limited evidence, but it does suggest that sucralose could affect the neurotransmitter function. And of course, you know what that could cause. Sucralose is not easily broken down, by the way, in the environment. And you could, if that's important to you, that's also an effect that you can consider. But I'm most concerned about the potential carcinogenicity. The animal studies show there is a link between sucralose and cancer risk. It's not conclusive in the human, but why take a chance? Use other things, honey, and of course you can use monk fruit and things of this nature, stevia, organic, of course. So there are other things and that can do a lot without causing disruption in these other pathways. The unknown long-term effects of sucralose have not really been described. Why wait and find out there's an issue? Just use the other things. And by the way, it can even alter your taste perception. And that means that you can end up wanting sweeter foods. That wouldn't be good. Yeah, use natural things. It makes sense. Thanks for watching.